Hey guys, I'm Thomas. Welcome to Social Board in Camptown. Today we're gonna show you our favorite sandwich, vegan organic tempeh with Szechuan mirin marination. The first step will be we're gonna marinate tempeh in mirin, shallots, garlic, organic soya sauce. Then the next step will be pan frying, and we're gonna build our favorite sandwich. Okay guys, so we're gonna build our vegan sandwich. Now we're gonna chop daikon, pickled ginger, wild mushrooms, pan-fried tempeh, and spicy vegan mayo. There you have it, our Social Board Be Right On vegan sandwich.